So I removed one of my layers because it's a bit hot now, and let's go. Let's walk around this thing. Ang daming tao. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Roman Forum. Ano ba yung Roman Forum? Daming tao. Gusto ko yung ang haba ng pillow. Tinangon talaga ako mag-ano ng ticket. Parang I think I'm good with Vatican Sistine Chapel yesterday. Maybe. What if I go here at night? I think that's more interesting. Tuesday and Thursday now. Fine. Hello, parang nainggit ako. Ano kaya ako makapasok dyan? Ay, hindi pala. Nagano ako ng ticket. Parang nainggit na ako bigla.
Weiter.
You can start going Paladin and Faro, and then you clear.
Orada çörekler
Simple pa kaya ito bukas ng maaga. Kasi na lang ako.
Yeah,
That's my point.
Grabe, no? Sana may makita ako nagbebenta ng ticket. Grabe, ang laki niya. Tingnan ko na lang siya dun sa gate. I'll just have a quick peek at the gate. Yeah. So we can see what's going on there. Yung mga construction. Nice, nice. Ayan. Ganyan pala. Ting-ting. Yan, mawawala ticket eh. Nakikiano na lang. Oh, I'm in Roman Forum and I think the combination of these two structures is so badass. Amazing. I need a picture. I need a picture here. With the video because I have YouTube. Hey, so I found a photo body here at last.
Okay. Penay. Penay, how are you? From Vietnam?
From Vietnam, yay! From Mary from Philippines.
Mary from Philippines.
Yes.
Okay, nice to see you.
Yes, finally. Okay, we're going to have photo shoot. Let's go, let's go, let's go.